Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install and join Google Classroom on Sony Xperia 10.4. So simply open Google Play Store, here start search for an app and enter Google Classroom. Select this app and install it. After installation process is complete, we'll be able to open this app. Click on Get Started, choose the account you want to use for this app. Click on this plus button, join the class, enter the class code right here, and simply click on the join. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.